Welcome. In front of me I have the SONOS MOVE 2 and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look, listen to the speaker. So anyway, let's just pop it open. We do have pull tabs right here at the, it looks like only the top, or what I presume is the top. And unlike some other companies, these actually pull in one swoop move without actually breaking halfway through. Now at the top we have what looks to be a charging brick. I'm gonna set it to the side. Instruction. That is some hefty little protection right here. That is protected more than I was as a child. Looks like that's it. Unless there's something. Come on. Nope. Nothing else. Okay. Drop that back in here. There we go. Let's get this. Okay. So, on the image you did kind of, at least at the front, you did kind of see this little thing. And looks like this just kind of drops into this. Though, it's kind of misleading. I thought that it's going to be floating. It's just kind of sitting on here. It's basically a charging dock for it, with a Type-C port and a provided Type-C charger. Is that entire box just for the charger? And yep, it's just a lot of empty wasted space just for oh God's sakes, come on, there we go. Just for reference, this is the thickness of the charger. The box is basically twice as high. Okay, I guess we like wasting paper here. Now, that is a odd design. So we have this recessed area with a couple controls, like the microphone on/off. Turn that off. Bluetooth pairing mode, and obviously the power button. And sorry if there's going to be a little bit of noise. And I don't mean from the speaker. Are you gonna turn on today? Actually, I don't need to, I think. Undo this. Let me just grab my cable, as we do have a charging port here as well by the looks of it. Come on. Upsy daisy, let's go. Time is money. Or not. So I plugged it into a much faster charger, just in hopes that it's having a problem with 5-watt USB port. Come on. Would you like to turn on? Okay, I guess it doesn't want to turn on. Okay, so I guess I'm not doing a sound test because Sonos doesn't want to turn on. And another thing that I don't want to probably do is check the price tag for this device, as Sonos is usually just a little bit too expensive. But you know what? It's not like it's turning on, so I have nothing better to do. So SONOS MOVE 2, let's see. We're looking at a measly $450 for this speaker. Now I have no idea how it sounds, but one of the benefits of Sonos will be the fact that you can just kind of link them to other Sonos speakers to have this kind of seamless mesh of speakers. So I assume same case with this one. And in terms of the design, it looks pretty nice. It is gonna fit in a lot of places. The size isn't too big, so you should have not big of a problem fitting it, and the fact that it comes with a built-in battery also adds into that to the fact that you can just move it around and you don't need to worry too much, so you can place it wherever you want. Though booting it up seems to be problematic right now. It might be just discharged for some reason. And also it comes with this base like you've seen, so it just literally sits in between and touches the pogo pins and charges off of that. And the cable is non-detachable, as you can see, which might be sort of a missed opportunity if you wanted to have some different cable plugged in. So there we go. Just also showing you a bit more of all around. So here we have the front. You can kind of see the membrane right here through this metal mesh. The Sonos branding at the top. This is rubberized bottom. Also, if I flip it upside down, we do have a model right here. Then on the back side we have the power button, Bluetooth pairing, and mic on and off. And just a little grip area for you to carry it. And then on the sides there's literally nothing. At the top we have a couple other controls, like the back, forwards, play, pause, and I have no idea, messaging. And this is going to be the volume up and the down, which you can kind of see. There we go, a little plus right here. So here we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.